6. Vacuole. Vacuoles are storage bags found in both plant and animal cells. Their main function is to store useful and degrade waste materials. In plant cells, there is a single large vacuole present at the center of the cell. Its purpose is to fill up the space with water and maintain pressure in the cell, along with the storage of materials. 7. Chloroplast. Chloroplasts are specific to plant cells only. They are green in color, absorb sunlight and produce food through photosynthesis. That is the reason they are absent in animal cells. All these organelles work together to make a cell the basic unit of life, performing specific functions. All these organelles work together to make a cell the basic unit of life, performing specific functions. Comparison between plant and animal cells. The difference between plant and animal cells is given below. Table 1.1. Difference between plant and animal cells. Plant cell. Plant cells are generally larger in size. Plant cells have a cell wall as well as a cell membrane. Plant cells have a large central vacuole. Chloroplast is present. Animal cell. Animal cells are generally smaller in size. Animal cells do not have a cell wall but have a cell membrane as the outermost covering. Animal cells may have many small vacuoles. Chloroplast is absent.